Welcome back, students. In today's class, we are going to learn EVS subject, lesson number 10, days, months and years. So open page number 142. Lesson number 10, days, months and years. Before we start this lesson, let's solve this activity. Do you remember? So when is your birthday? You have to write down when you are celebrating your birthday. So write down here your birthday date. I'll write here my birthday date. When is your birthday? So my birthday is on 26th July. So I'll write here 26th July. So you have to write down your birthday date, okay? On which day or days of the week do you have your games period in the school? Now in my school, daily Saturday, okay, Saturday I have a games class. On which day is Christmas celebrated? In Christmas celebrated 25th December. 25th December, right? So you have to write down here 25th December. So these activities you have to complete it first in this writing. In this lesson, days, months and years, we are going to learn about time, what is a day and what is a year. So let's start. Every day we do different activities at the same time. We go to school in the morning, we eat lunch in the afternoon and we go to bed at night. So this is our daily routine. Every day we do different activities at the same time. For example, now your school is not started, right? But the same thing you are repeating again and again. In the morning you are having breakfast. Before the breakfast you are brushing your teeth, you are taking bath, then you are drinking milk, then you are having your breakfast. After that you will do study. These activities you are doing regular basis, right? So what is mean by time? Time can be measured in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. In the math lesson also we learnt about the time. A clock. A watch or clock tells us the time. It mostly has two hands, right? The short hand of a clock shows hour, the long hand shows minutes. Sometimes one more hand called the second hand is also present. It moves one space every second. So let's solve this activity time to answer. Write the time shown by the clocks. Now minute hand in the first clock. You can see here the minute hand and the hour hand is on the 6 only. So here you have to write down 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. And hour hand also is on 6 o'clock. Next clock, here the minute hand means this hand, long hand we call minute hand, and hour hand is short hand. The minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 11 o'clock. So here you have to write down like this, clock. The next is in next number third, 8 hour hand is on 8 o'clock and minute hand is on a third. So here you have to write down 3. Okay, so minute hand is on 3 and hour hand is on 8. So in this way we are showing, we showed the time in the clocks. So let's know about what is a day. The earth spins around and round like a top. Now last lesson we learnt about our earth, our home earth, and we all are living on the planet of earth, and this earth spins round and round like a top. The time taken by the earth to spin around once on its axis with respect to sun is called a day. Means one full day. Days of a week. There are 7 days in a week. So how many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. These are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Right. So these are the 7 days of the week. And the names of days are based on Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn. Right, sun means Sunday, Monday, moon, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So, now let's solve the time to answer. Which day comes before Saturday? So, before Saturday, Friday will come. So, here you have to write down Friday. The day that comes after Tuesday. The day that comes after Tuesday. So, after Tuesday, Wednesday. After Tuesday, Wednesday. So you have to complete this. Time to answer. Page number 143, 142, all the textbook writing. And next, what is the year, we will learn in the next class. This is a homework. Complete page number 142, 143, textbook writing.